Okay guys, so welcome back to the video. My name's Paul. You're watching Cryptic, and this is our new baby pup, Rina. And she's a Pomeranian. Oh, she wants to come down. She's a Pomeranian pup, and her name is Rina. She's 9 weeks old, and she's so cute. Right now we have her on this flat bit of stairs, and she's so cute. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this video. I just want to show you this video. New baby. Oh, she wants to go up the stairs. Yeah. She knows how to go up the stairs. She went up there.
What up, dude?
If you're wondering how much we bought her for $2,500. That's a lot. And we paid $160 for delivery. And she was really beautiful. She's a girl, yeah, obviously, as I've been saying, she. She's really interested in Lucy right now. But yeah, she's super fluffy. She's super cute. There's a face shot. If you have any questions about Rina, then go in the comments. Oh geez. Go in the comments and ask questions. I will be answering them. Any questions about food or maybe where she wants. Where we bought her yesterday and she was delivered. Wait, did we buy her online?
Yeah.
So we found her online and we contacted them and we paid, and then we organized that they drop her off here. So really cute.
And she's pretty well trained.
If you want, we'll just have a montage of her. Cute montage.